Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Afterpay with Square. Let's go! This is detailed documentation. How to enable Afterpay via Square. Desktop. Open account and settings. Business information. Payment methods. Afterpay. Turn on online and in person. Square app. More. Settings. Checkout. Payment. Tap Configure Afterpay. Turn on online and in person. Now you know how to use Afterpay with Square. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.